Hi everyone, so this is the May VIP box from Devine Decals UK, and I also missed a foil in the last haul, so this was the last foil. So this is another Louis Vuitton one. So this has got the rainbow colours. I'm hoping you can see. I will post a picture at the end, but it's really pretty. So that was the last one. So yeah, I completely forgot. I've just found it in the box. Sorry. So this is the May VIP box. So I haven't looked at it, so I'm looking at it with you guys. So we have these, and these are so pretty. Look at them. How pretty are they? Look at the colours. Wow, the colours are beautiful. Let me turn this light round. Does that make it better? Not really. But yeah, look at them. So there's pink and purple and blue. Really pretty. So pretty. And you get so many on the one sheet. Give me 1 second. Sorry, I needed to cough. And then this is the next one. So we have some cactus, which is awesome. I don't think I have any cactuses. I don't know. But we have green, like a minty colour, and a lilac. Really good variety in there. And I like that you get like multiple of the different ones, which is really handy. And they're not very big either. So you could layer them up or whichever way you wanted to use them. Really cool. And they're not massive, so I like that. And also we have some black and white Mickey and Minnie heads, which are awesome. I do believe that these are going to be available on the website at some point. I'm not sure if it's next month. I'm not sure. But yeah. But look at them. How cool are they? Really cool. And with the foil as well, I can definitely get some designs done. And ooh, we have this one too. Oh, look at that. That's really cool. I really like that. So I think, yeah. The cogs are going already. So yeah, I like this. So this is just like black and white, but you have sun and the moon, daggers, skulls. I can't remember what they call this. They don't call it a cup. I can't remember. But yeah, look at that. How cool is that? And look at the detail. So clear. I really like that one. And we also have this one, which is really cool, really colourful. So we have these eyes, and we have the yin yang in the middle, some of these mushrooms and these dripping planets. How cool are they? Really cool. I really like them. The colours are really nice as well. Really cool. I really like them. You get so many on the one sheet. I love it. Oh, we have some mini bows. How cute are they? So you have slightly bigger and smaller ones, and so many on the one sheet. And I love that it's like the classic red and white polka dot. I really like that. Oh, that is cute. Oh, they're really cute. Oh, I picked up two. And we have these hearts. Not sure if they're meant to be space or not, but they look really funky. Look at them. How funky do they look? Really cool. And I like that you've got the bigger ones and the smaller ones as well. Camera doesn't want to focus on them. But look at the colours and the detail. Really nice. And I do like she includes larger ones and the smaller ones as well. Because somebody like me who hasn't like got like a nail bed, they're not very wide at all. So these are perfect for my nails. So that's really good. I like that. They're really nice. And we also have these ones. How cute are these? They are really cute. And I like that they're like These ones are slightly kind of facing like a different way, or is that just my imagination? No, they're opposite. Look, this one is facing that way and that one is facing that way. So yeah, so they're opposite. So that's really, really good. I like that. Yeah, look. So you could put them on the middle nails. So that's really, really good. I like that. And look at the colours. How pretty are they? Really, really pretty. My lighting is not very good today. 2 more to go. So we have these hearts, which have got a zip on and like kind of like plaid stitch on them. So these are black and like a, I don't know what you'd call it. What would you call it? I can't think of the colour. I can't think of the colour name. So you have really, really big ones and you have medium ones and you have some small ones as well, which is really good that they're all on the same sheet. So that's really, really good. And again, the detailing is so cool. And I like this little like light beamy bit, like the shine on them. Really, really cool. Gives it that extra little oomph. I like them. Great job again. And then the last one is this one, and these are really, really pretty. So these are crystals at the back, and then we have some flowers around the outside with some leaves. And again, you have the large ones and you have the smaller ones. So you get so many on the one sheet. I can't wait to use them. It's so nice. Wow, look at them. So pretty. Well, that's the end of this video. What I will do is I'll take some pictures and post them at the end. And yeah, don't forget to head over and check it out. I will leave their website and everything all down below, as I always do. And yep, I do have a discount code as well, so take full advantage of that. Save yourself some pennies. And yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. If there's one in particular you want me to use, just let me know and I will do my best to do a design with them. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching, and thank you if you watched the first part as well. I know it was a really big order and I'm so excited for all of them foils. If you didn't watch part 1, I will link it at the end. And yeah, just let me know your thoughts down below. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching today, and yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, hopefully I will see you in the next one. And don't forget, let me know down below if there is one you want me to use. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching. Until next time, take care. Bye.